Whoa, you startled me there. I was too busy enjoying life as a professional, thanks to Softwarekeep by giving us great deals on Office 2013 Professional Plus. I want to show you how to be a Professional Plus 2013 as well. Let's go. So once again, we're going to head over to our friends at Softwarekeep. You'll see that every single month there are great deals to be had, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled for all those promo codes. So what we're going to do is select the Microsoft Office tab at the top left of the screen. Now we'll see that it sorts by use, application, and by year. We're looking for Professional Plus, so we can go ahead and click exactly that. If you scroll down a ways, you'll see that this goes all the way to 2010, which is pretty cool, but we're looking for 2013. And look at that, it includes 2 PC installs. So once we click that, it shows you all the software that's included, and you can go ahead and add this to your cart now. Once you view your cart, you can proceed to the checkout as usual. And now you get to enter in one of those promo codes. So scroll to the very bottom of the screen and you'll see add a coupon here. So once you do that and once you apply, you'll see $175 for the entire 2013 Professional Plus suite is a pretty sweet deal. So once you've completed your purchase of Office 2013 Professional Plus, you're going to get an email that looks identical to this one, except it's not going to be from an account that I created to create this video. And you may be a little bit confused here because you're going to see options for either a 32-bit or 64-bit download. And the way to figure out what bit your computer is by opening up the Start menu, right-clicking on Computer, selecting Properties, and then checking out the system type. It's going to say either 64-bit for 64-bit or a random string of numbers for 32-bit. And as you can see, I have a 64-bit computer, so I'm going to go ahead and download the 64-bit option. And of course, there are a lot of pointers in this email if you don't want to listen to me ramble on, but I'm going to do that anyway. So let's go ahead and select the 64-bit download option, which is going to redirect you to a pCloud link, which Softwarekeep has cleverly called Soft Cloud. And of course, this is a secure website, so you can simply do a direct download from there. And from here, we wait. Wow, look at that, that was fast. From here, go ahead and click the file that just downloaded. And because it's a zip file, it would be a good idea to save it in a location that is memorable. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it in my downloads file though. From here, I'm going to show you how to activate your new copy of Office 2013 Professional Plus. All right, now I'll show you how to activate your Office suite. If you open up your Start menu, you can search for individual applications like Word, but if you go to All Programs and scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see Microsoft Office 2013. And if you open up that folder, you'll see that you have every single Office application installed on your computer. Now let's go ahead and open up PowerPoint, but whatever you open up, Office is going to give you a little pop-up and it's going to say, hey, please activate me. So say that you already do have an activation code and go find that email that Softwarekeep sent you. At the top of that email is going to be in bright red lettering that activation code. So highlight and copy that and paste it into the place that Office wants you to paste it. From there, it's going to instantly recognize it as a valid activation code, so you can just go ahead and click OK, and you can begin being the professional person that you want to be. Well, would you look at that? All it took was downloading Microsoft Office 2013 Professional Plus, and now you're a professional, just like me. And who do we have to thank for that? Well, Softwarekeep. If you check out the description below, you'll see some additional great savings on the rest of their great products. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.